Hello everyone, welcome to Letstute. I am Richa Jain and today I am going to teach you how to make a beautiful seascape. For this, we will need an 8" by 10" canvas, painter's tape to secure the border, some flat and round brushes, a fan brush, and acrylic colors. First, secure the border with painter's tape. Mix cobalt blue, crimson lake, and white to make purple and apply it on canvas. Pour white, light coral or portrait pink, and crimson lake and blend diagonally with a fan brush. Now add more white. Then add crimson lake and complete the sky base. Then with more light coral, make the sea in horizontal motion. Take some purple and white and blend the bottom right part in diagonal strokes. Overlap the bottom canvas area with horizontal and diagonal strokes like this. The base coat is done. Now for the cloudy sky, take coral, crimson lake, white, yellow, and cobalt blue. Paint with small flat brush. Make purple with blue and crimson, light pink by adding white and crimson to coral. Make clouds with white and blend them in. Take some yellow now and merge white clouds with it. Now take coral and make a horizontal line with it. Give an outline to coral color with purple. And this completes our horizon. For the wave that's reaching the seashore, take thick coat of white paint on the flat brush and make an irregular shape like this. Now paint inside with light pressure. Make short and rapid strokes to create impression of water. Near the horizon, make wider horizontal strokes. We are making the reflection of the sky in the sea and waves. Now take a painting knife and spread the white boundary of the wave upwards to create impression of water splashing. If you don't have a painter's knife, take a fan brush and spread the white downwards and upwards in the same manner. Also, we will spread white in between like this. Now, take a big flat brush and make dry brush strokes of white on the seashore in a diagonal angle. Let's create more waves now. Take a thin brush, mix white with cobalt blue and create small waves like this. The wave at the shore will get more defined by making its shadow. For this, take purple and make thin strokes at some places like this. Now take the flat brush and add another layer at the seashore with light purple color. Give light and dry strokes. Again add thick layer of white on the wave. Also add white on top of the little blue waves. Now for the finishing look, take the small flat brush and add white, pink, peach and purple tones at some places to show sky colors reflecting in the wave. Lastly, we'll make some birds in the sky with black color and a 0 number brush. For the birds, make small flat V's. With the same brush, add more details if required. Let it dry and remove the tape. I hope you enjoyed this seascape as much as I enjoyed making it. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Share your experiences with us when you make it, like it and share it with your friends. Thank you.